Hello, LBE users. Here's how to repair Dell BIOS files. Drag and drop both the dump and .exe files into the draggable area. Wait patiently for the process to complete. If a window pops up displaying multiple HDR files, always select the one highlighted in green and click OK. Within seconds, you'll find the fixed file in your working folder. Here is the fixed file. If you need any of these files, such as the ME file or the BIOS region file, simply double-click on it, and it will be uploaded to your working folder. These files are, in fact, what LBE extracted from the EXE capsule and kept on the LBE server. Let's double-click on some of them and pay attention to our working folder. Each double-clicked file will appear in the folder instantly. Fixing Dell BIOS files with LBE-Pro is as effortless as sipping tea. If you're watching this and still don't have LBE, what are you waiting for? Call me now and make it yours today. Thank you for watching, and a big thank you to all LBE users for trusting our amazing tool. Goodbye. See you all in the next video. Take care.